Good morning, everyone.
Hey Uday, hey Naveen, hey Mukesh, hey Shiva. How are you everyone? All good?
We are good.
Yeah, good Indra. Yeah,
Good, Indra.
good
Thanks for
Indra.
asking. Hi.
Hey, any doubts, guys? Like we can discuss for first 3-4 minutes, and meanwhile people are joining. Then we will start at 8:05. No doubts?
So, Indra, yeah, I'm sure here.
Yeah,
Look,
Shiva.
can you? Yeah. So, while getting the data, I mean, so from Excel, so
Mm-hmm.
the data, I mean, in the Excel, the data has to be in table format, or I mean, it can be like a normal, regular uh, uh, Excel. So usually, while taking the data in automation, I mean, so will the data in Excel sheet, it has to be in table, right? I mean, table name, something, it has to be like that, right? Or it can be like random data we can take.
No worries, Shiva. I'll show you. I'll start the class with this thing itself.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that's fine.
Hey, hi Indrajit. I have a small doubt actually. This is my first class. So, actually, I am working as a Power Platform support engineer for Microsoft. I need to know that, how many types of project will be covered with this course because actually I'm facing the issue with the interview because I don't have any developing experience. So when the interviewer asked me for what kind of development experience you have, then I'm just lacking.
Okay. So Indrajit, like in that case, what you can do, you can go through the first session that I took on Friday, no, sorry, on Thursday. But let me summarize for you. So you will be creating around 6+ projects here, okay? And you will be knowing end to end how to develop Canvas apps, model-driven apps, Power Pages, Power Automate flows, Copilot Studio, okay, and Power BI reports. So everything you will be getting here is will be of development nature, okay? Nothing will be theoretical here. So you will be again, you don't need to worry about clearing interviews or something. That will automatically will fall in place. Only thing you have to worry about is attending the classes, doing the practice, and creating projects. If you do these three things, no one can stop you from clearing interviews.
Okay,
That is
okay,
my assurance to you.
okay. Actually, I know all the basics because I'm working for last 2.5 years with the Power Platform only. But my only concern which I'm facing that is I mean, I don't know how over the industry how end-to-end project is being used. That's my issue. Yeah, I think I'm good now.
Yeah, no worries. Like here, like course is not of basic nature, I would say. It is from basic to advanced. Okay. So we will start from basic thing. In my terms, basic thing is product walkthrough, like how Power Apps works, how Power Automate work, right? How Power BI work. And then from there to deployment. So everything we will be covering, which is there in a project lifecycle. Cool.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, then I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, someone was trying to say something.
Yes, sir. Good morning. This is Nawaz Khan. So I have been following this session. It is quite a long time. I was could not be able to arrange the money. So again, I just come back. So when is the paid session will start, sir?
Paid session will start from Thursday.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So Namaz, what is your background?
Sir, I have done MBA with a completely finance background. I have more than 5 years of experience in the this one in the finance background and underwriting. So I would like to move on to the IT and the technical part. I think one of my friend is suggest for this platform or this
Okay,
technology.
got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah, that's fine, Nawaz. Okay. So guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. This is the fourth session of Power BI. Okay. And we are in Power Platform course. So what we will be working today is we will be working on DAX intro, and we will be creating column using DAX. So first of all, first thing, what is DAX? You must be getting a doubt, sir. What is this DAX? And you must have seen this buzzword around you. DAX. DAX is very tough. You can't work on DAX. All those things. Okay. So I'll make it simplify for you. And whatever scenarios we will be covering in the class, guys. So that is more than enough to go ahead and create reports. Okay. So what, suppose you are getting some requirement, you can tweak those scenarios and you will be able to solve almost 95% of your scenarios in the job. And if you are not able to solve anything, then I'll let you know like how you have to break down. So basically you will, after we will be having 2 to 3 sessions on DAX depending on like how you are responding and all. So I will cover all the scenarios. After those scenarios, what you will acquire is you will acquire that problem solving skill, how to think about the problem and how to solve it using DAX. Okay. So don't cram anything, just follow the process. So, guys, DAX stands for data analysis expression. As name says, it is not a programming language, it is not a scripting language. It is nothing what it is an expression thing. Okay. Like you have expression in Excel, similarly, you have these kind of things in Power BI. So it helps us writing business logic in Power BI, right? So, what is business logic? Business logic is nothing like if you have attended previous class that was on Monday, that is yesterday. So what we did there, I told you a business logic, right? Where like if the rating is between 0 to 2000, it should be it
Good.
should be good, good average, whatever it was. Then 2000 to 4000 average, 4000 plus suppose excellent, right?
Excellent.
So this is
Yeah.
what? This is the business logic, right? So similarly, like when you will working on Power BI report, when you will be working on Power BI report, you will be getting the data from the client, and then they will tell you, okay, we are interested in show getting these insights, right? getting insights. So then they will ask you, okay, we might want to see the revenue by category, right? So then if category is not there, you will tell them what category means, right? So then they will tell you our category means this. So then you will convert that conversation that you will have client into columns using DAX, right? Using DAX or using Power BI conditional columns or using Power BI and query, right? This is how the things happens, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So guys, are you clear with DAX, why it is there, what it will help us in?
Yeah, as of
Yes,
now, so
Indra.
to run business logic, yeah, we are using
Cool.
DAX.
So now let me introduce you to the DAX, how it works. First of all, first thing first, let me open your Power BI report. And let me open the Excel sheet also. Meanwhile, it is opening. Should be somewhere here. In case someone was having concern, like whether the data should be in table or not. Guys, who was the guy who was having issue?
It's me. It's me, Indra.
Okay. So is it in table?
No.
No, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Cool. So it is not a prerequisite. I will summarize it for all of you. So it is not a prerequisite that you should always have a table data in the Excel format. Okay. So table by tabular data, what I means, like you must have seen like this, right? If you click on this, Control T, my bad. I think I pressed something else. Control T. So then it will ask you my table has headers. Click on OK. So this is table in Excel, guys. Okay, so R is plain data. Clear?
Yes,
So
Indra.
now let me move back and let me circle back to the things where we have left yesterday. So this is how it looks like. So I will start with very basic thing, guys, for DAX. First of all, I'll tell you like how to write DAX for creation of columns. But before that, so your doubt will be, sir, like, do we need to remember every function of the DAX? Do we need to by heart the syntaxes? My answer will be no. You don't have to remember anything. You just have to know how to navigate. Okay. So you can simply click on this. So like guys, like if you are from any religious thing, so you will be having your own religion books, right? Like for me, it is Guru Granth Sahib. For some of you, it will be Bible. For some of you, it will be Gita. For some of you, it will be Ramayana, right? As per your beliefs, isn't it?
Yes, Indra.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, yeah.
So similarly, for Microsoft Power Platform, the Bible or Gita or whatever, like the belief it is MS Docs. Okay, MS Docs. So MS Docs is nothing what? MS Docs is nothing what? It is the repository of all the documentation. Okay, so let me tell you, DAX MS Docs. So this is the documentation by Microsoft. So here you will be able to see DAX functions. Click on this. So you will be able to see all the DAX functions available here. Let me click on this. Aggregation functions. Average, if you want to see how average work. So here you will be able to see what average will do. It will return the average of numbers, average columns, right? Return value, and then it will give you example also. Then they will explain about related function. So basically everything here will be in very, very layman format in very simple language. Okay. So you can go ahead, search your function here, whatever you want to search, and then you can get the syntax from here and then work on it. Okay. Now let me see how to, let me show you how to make it into action. So first thing first, I want to check like what is the average price of each laptop, or what is the highest price. Let me make it very simple. So how to get the highest price, guys? If you will think, so whenever you get any requirement, just try to think how you would have been done, like if you were the computer.
Where you open this Excel? You opened in Power BI, this Excel?
It's Power BI.
Okay.
Sorry. Let me close the Excel. It's Power BI data view. First class, Ganesh?
No, no,
Yeah.
no.
Okay, it was Shri Harsha.
Yeah. Yesterday I attended, saying second class. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So, and this is data view. Tell me how to get the maximum actual price.
Max function.
Max function, max
Max
of
function, right? So where you will write max function, you will simply go here. You'll click on new column. You will say maximum product price is equals to max, and then what it is expecting.
Column
It
name.
will give you
Column
suggestions here also. Column name, right? So what is our column name, guys?
Price.
average.
You have two price. Which price? It should be actual price. So it will give you like this. Two table naming. One thing will be the name and another thing will be the column. Close it. And here you get the maximum price is 49,990. 4,99,990 rupees. So congratulations to all of you. This is the first column that you have created. It is very simple, but we will.
Indra,
But
Yeah.
why it is showing for all the records same thing?
Sorry.
For all of the records, it is showing the same price.
Yeah. For all of the record, it is showing the same price. What was the requirement that I told you? Can you
There's a
reiterate?
maximum price. We need to find the maximum price.
Maximum price of all the products among all the products, basically. So this is all the products. So maximum price among all the product is 4,990. So it is showing for all the price, all the laptop same thing. So that means like it is not a laptop specific thing. It is for all the products. Okay. So ideally, like you will not go ahead and create columns for these things. This can be handled directly in the visualization tab. This all aggregation function supports there. But why I created here? Because I am onto something, right? I have to explain you scenarios. So this is part of the bigger problem. Okay.
yes, yes. I
Cool.
like in that code, why it is showing FPLV? I didn't get that part.
FPLB is table name. They are saying this is table name and this is the column name.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you why it used two space naming. Now, if I have, suppose I have two Indra in the class and that we have, okay? So then if I'll say Indra, you will say who? We have two. Then how you will identify?
By surname.
By surname, right? So similarly, if you have two same columns in your data set and in your Power BI, you might have suppose 10 tables. And in those tables, suppose actual price is present in 5 tables. So then how Power BI will get to know which actual price you are trying to locate?
Based on the table name. Basically.
Based on the table name, right?
Yes.
If you will say actual price, so then it will say, okay, we have 5 actual price. Which actual price you want to refer? So that's why you have the table name and column name. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
clear? Fine. Now, next thing is, now let us go ahead and let me try to create a column here. And now I'll give you the requirement. We have already created something on ratings or reviews on ratings, right? So let us try to create similar kind of thing, first of all, in rating reviews. So what is the idea? Why I want to create something like that here? The idea is to make you guys familiar with the conditional columns by using DAX. Okay. So what is my requirement? What I want to do? I want to, if reviews is 0 to 100, I would say, let me go to the white sheet and explain you the requirement. My requirement will be like this: 0 to 250, 250 to 500, 500 to 750, and 750 plus. So you can say least loved. So 250 to 550, average, good. These are most loved, right? You're getting ratings, right? So if your ratings of a laptop product is between 0 to 250, then you can say it is least loved. Okay. 250 to 500, it is of average nature. 500 to 750, it is good. 750 plus, most loved. Clear? What is my requirement?
Yes, Indra. Yes.
Cool. So how you can
Yes,
achieve
yes.
this? With the knowledge that you have from last 3 sessions?
Like
Conditional
conditional.
logic.
Conditional logic in Power Query Editor, right?
Yeah.
Can I make it little complex, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make it. I'll take it to one more level upwards. Okay. First of all, let me implement this much first, and then I'll make it more complex. New column. You will say response category. We can say, because this is nothing but the response by the buyers, right? Now, what you should think, how you should think, like what you have to search in the documentation. I'm saying if it is between 0 to 250, least loved. If it is between 250 to 500,
Louder.
right?
Love.
Then 500 to 750, good.
Good.
Then 750 plus,
Most loved.
Most loved. So what is this, guys? These are conditions, right?
If condition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So conditions, how you can implement? You can implement with the help of if, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can, if you don't know the syntax of if, you can simply go here, search if here, and you can simply get the if syntax here. This is how it should looks like. What is logical test? What is value if true? What it return if value if false? So in remark, they will explain it in detail. Then in example, look, you get examples also. You don't have to go anywhere. Okay. So this is nested if, everything they have explained. Now let me go ahead and show you how to implement the if statement. So you will simply write if logical test. Now I will make it more restrictive if. How to make it? I will write exactly similar thing what I have written in the whiteboard. So I will say if rating is greater than 0 and to right hand you will write like this, two ampersands. Rating is less than 250. It should be
Least loud.
Good.
Least
Least
loud.
loud.
placed locked. And then after that, you will, if it is not true, guys, then what you should do? You should check for another if statement, right? So that if statement, what it will check? If we will check rating is greater than 250 and rating is less than 500, then it will be
Average.
Average.
average. Very good. Then after that, if it is also not true, I will go into my another if statement and I'll say if rating is greater than 500 and rating is less than 750, then it would be good.
Good.
Then else, what it should do? It should say it should be most loved. And now you have to take care of every if closing statement here. So this if will close here. Now this if will also close here and last if will close here. Now everything is closed. Hit enter. You will get your stuff here. Let me see if I can shrink it further so that I can show you everything in one view. Okay, you have description also. This will also be one of the largest column. Okay, this is what I wanted. So check here, guys. What will be the value if your review is 0 as per this formula?
It
Least
will not
loud.
meet zero. It will
Least
not.
loved.
Least loud.
What you're getting most loved?
It's not. Yeah.
Why?
Because we
Yeah,
haven't
because
used to
it
sign.
didn't meet any of the criteria.
So always it will be most low.
Sorry. Come again.
We
It
haven't
didn't
used
meet it.
less than equal to or greater than
Less than or
Very
that's why
good. Because 0 does not falls in any of the criteria. Why? Because we are using greater than 0, right? So it should be, sorry, it should be greater than or equals to 0, right? Now let's see what we are getting. Look, it is corrected now, right? Now
Yeah.
similarly,
Yeah.
guys, can you please tell me what is the output if the value is 250?
Most loved.
250 also less
Because
than.
250 doesn't fall into any of the categories.
Yeah.
Very good.
So we
So
have to
250
make
also here it should
greater
be
than
less than 250. So basically from 0 to 249 you will be getting least loved, and we are starting from greater than 250. So it should be from 251 to 499 you will be getting average. So you have to include this also in one of the condition. So now if it is 250, what you will get?
It's
Average.
low.
Average.
Average.
Similarly, you have to do for this thing also. So why I explicitly try to explain you with this condition, because this is the most, I would say, repeated mistakes that people makes, and they will get different results. Okay. So you have to take care of all these things. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So now what you have learned just now, you learned about if statement, and you have learned how to embed multiple if to achieve your goal, right? How many if statement you used, guys?
3 steps.
3 if statements. So if you see here, this is the main if statement, and then you embedded second one, and then you embedded third one.
But yeah. Yesterday you wrote the same thing in a case statement, like if statement in a Power Query, but this is a DAX. Only that
This
is
is
the
the
difference.
DAX. So why in Power Query, what you can do, you can write only one condition, right? You can't go ahead and write like this and all, isn't it?
Hmm.
And now suppose, now let me make it more complex, and that you will not be able to achieve with Power Query data. This you can achieve. What you can do, you can get rid of this thing, and there will be only one condition, and then you will say, okay, Indra, like why you are letting us do a double work by using DAX? We will create directly through the Power BI query data, right? So now let me make it little complex. Okay. So now what is my requirement? My requirement is I don't want to create category only on the reviews. I want it on the combination of ratings and reviews. I will say if rating is greater than, less than 250, and reviews is also less than suppose 500, then in this case I will say good. Then if rating is less than 250, less than 500, that is between 250 to 500, and reviews is less than 2000, then I will say average. And if rating is less than suppose 1000, and reviews less than 5000, then I will say excellent. Else I would say okay, let me put very good here. Else it will be excellent. Right? So now for this category, it is the result of combination of two columns, right? Rating and review. Isn't it? Now tell me how you can achieve this. Can you go ahead and write a conditional column? Think, guys, think. No worries. Take your time. Think and give me a logical answer.
We can use that if rating is less than and review is less than 500, but
Yeah. So you're talking about DAX, right?
yeah.
You have two ways to create a column. So conditional column, first of all, can we use that? If yes, why? If no, why?
I think not, because we cannot compare on two columns.
Yeah, so because in conditional column, like you have seen, this will be the dialog. It will say, okay, this condition you have to write and then result. Condition on one column and result, right?
Yeah.
You can't go ahead and refer two columns in the conditional statement, right?
Mm.
Guys, what about others? There are 32 people in the class. You're not able to recall?
Yes, we can write.
You can't write, right? So now, what is the next thing that is left with you? That is DAX,
DAX.
right?
Yeah.
So now let me go ahead and modify this thing itself. So what I will do, I will write one more condition here, right? I will say and review is suppose less than 500. It should be least loved and reviews less than suppose 1000 and reviews less than 5000. Here you go. Let me try to filter some reviews. I would say suppose reviews is 629. Okay. So it is 629 and reviews is this. Okay, where is this? Rating. Okay, I filtered on rating. Let me go ahead and filter on reviews. Okay. So here you can see rating was 7038. So rating was 7038. Nothing got what you say. If something got triggered, 7038.
Third is like greater than 5,000.
No, no, it is rating. RATING, not reviews.
Is reflecting else first.
Sorry?
Column. Last condition, else part.
Else
It's
pass,
Else.
greater
right?
than,
Because
yeah.
because we have defined condition only till 750, right?
Yeah.
So basically now based on two columns, you can write functions like this. So how it will implement, how it will execute, let me explain you that. Let me clear all filter. So what it will do, first of all, it will go ahead and apply this condition, okay, on first column. Then it will go ahead and apply on second column and then it will give you the result, okay? If first column itself is out of the scope, it will go ahead and throw you here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Because this is and condition. So and means all of the things should be correct. Or means either of the thing is correct, that is fine. Okay. So guys, this is how you will be working with if statements. Cool with me?
Okay.
Yeah. Understood. Yeah.
Yeah, I have one question, Indra.
Yes. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
we see like max product price is the same for all of them, right? I understand response category, but max product price should be repeated for each and every record.
Yeah, no. So basically, I think previously also someone has some doubt in this. So you don't have to create columns like that. So why I wanted to create that? Because I wanted to start from very granular
Oh,
level. So
okay.
when you have these kind of requirements, like let me show you. This is a visualization tab, and I'm using very simple visual. Okay, that is card visual. So what you will do? Suppose actual price you want to use. So here itself you will be getting that option to get maximum, minimum, and all. You don't have to explicitly go and create it in your data set. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Cool. And even like you don't have to create columns for these things. Why? I will tell you in the upcoming classes when we will discuss about the optimization of Power BI reports. So this is how it looks like. So now let me give you very realistic environment problem that you were having, that someone was having in the previous class. So now guys, like this is a data set. So in a data set, you don't have all the knowledge available, right? Which is required. It is available in this product name and description column. So now what I will do, we will try to extract the knowledge from here. So what is the important factors related to laptops? Can you tell me the properties?
RAM,
RAM. What else?
yeah, SSD drive size,
RAM,
and
SSD,
core,
HDD,
Windows 5.
internal
Processor,
AMD core,
processor.
brand.
processor, brand, whether it's Windows or Linux, right? That is operating system, isn't it? All these things are like one of the key factors while taking the laptop, right? Or while buying the laptop, isn't it?
Yes.
And as a business, you must have to, you may have to get the insights as per operating system, like how Windows laptops are getting response, how Linux laptops are getting response, how many laptops are you are selling with 4 GB RAM, how many laptops are getting sold with 8 GB RAM, which company is selling the highest laptop, right? All those are insights, right, that you may want to get as a business owner, isn't it?
Yes.
So for that, you must have first of all the data, right? As of now, you don't have data, right? It is in description column or product name column. So you have to extract it from here, right?
Mm.
Sounds like a problem? So now, guys, do start brainstorming. First of all, we will go ahead and we will try to extract the RAM. So RAM is 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 4 GB, 16 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 8 GB. So data is in front of you. Try to look at it and show me your thoughts how you will extract it. You already know how to do the data formatting using a Power Query data using split and all. So just try to use that and do let me know how you will be finding it, and then we will discuss your approach. And guys, like one thing I want to make very clear here, like I would like to take this opportunity. So no one is student, no one is trainer here. This we are a team, we are working on a project. So everything that we will be implementing, it should be from all of us. So all of you should participate, you should give your thought process. So consider me myself as a implementer. I will go ahead and implement your thoughts. Cool.
I would split the. I'll read the product name and split the data based on hyphen space parenthesis
Okay, then.
and get that second value, and then I do further. Uh, if you want GB also, then I will take like slash as a. Then again I will split it as 8 GB, or if I need only 8, then I'll split it based on a GB and take the first value.
Okay,
Those are the two steps we'll implement and get 8 or 8 GB.
very
Or
good.
whatever is there, yeah, till GB slash, you have to find that and separate it. Or delimit GB slash or the first slash.
Yes, we can do that.
Very good.
We can use column from example in the Power Query to extract few columns, few values.
Okay, so the way column from example work where you have a certain kind of pattern being followed. So do you feel like here you have that pattern followed?
GB RAM, such
Okay.
type of.
But GB is present here also.
Okay.
Again, like you have to convince me.
Or go with hyphen bracket. Hyphen with the first right bracket. First.
Very good.
Now it's the left icon, I mean, slash.
Okay. So guys, how we will implement, first of all, what you are giving me suggestions to implement using DAX or using Power Query Editor? All of the people who have given answer yet.
I
You
was
can try with
thinking
Power
DAX.
Query. And
We should choose.
because 2, 3 are there.
You should choose what? Sorry.
Power Query, one delimiter we
Or
can do. But I'm not sure whether 2 delimiters will work in Power Query. If I want the hyphen bracket.
Okay.
Maybe with the DAX we can.
Cool. So all of you were on the somewhere on the right path only. So the logic that you told me, like you will go ahead and split on dash and this thing. Okay. So and then what you will get 8 GB hyphen 256 and all. So in that case, what you will do, you will split on the first delimiter and you will get the RAM size. So if you want to implement this multiple things, you can go ahead and implement using DAX also, and you can go ahead and implement using Power Query Editor also. Okay. So now again, what is easy? What is tough? Nothing is easy, nothing is tough. In DAX, you might have to write some functions that you may not be comfortable with. So what will be very easy or icing on the cake is the Power Query Editor. I will tell you with the both. You don't have to worry anything. Refresh. So what I was trying to say, you will go ahead, click on this thing, split column by delimiter. You will say custom. You will say like this, right? At the leftmost. Look. You got the text?
Yeah.
So now what is the next step, guys?
Again, on product 2, we need to right click and say.
Before that, before splitting, you have to duplicate the product because you are losing the product name, right?
Yeah, we are
Isn't
getting
it?
the same column.
So first of all, you have to duplicate the product name because you want to keep a copy of product name also, right? Otherwise, if you will split the original column itself, then you will lose the product name, isn't it?
Okay.
Let me go ahead and get rid of this thing first of all. Delete and delete this thing also. Now we will split this column. We will say split by delimiter, and you will say this thing like this thing, and leftmost delimiter, click on OK, and you will split now this column again on which delimiter, my dear friends? On
Slash.
backslash.
Forward. Yeah, that was forward.
Click on right.
Each occurrence, right?
Each occurrence will be, it will create number of columns.
Very good, very good. Leftmost occurrence, right? Now what is this that you got?
RAM size.
You can rename this to RAM size. And do you need these two columns now?
We can remove them.
You can remove. Guys, clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, what was the key thing to check here? So key thing to identify the effort where you will be splitting it. Here you go. Your RAM size is added. So now would you like to see it, how to implement it using DAX?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you did, you splitted the things, right? So let us see if split is available. I think split is not available directly. Yeah, it is not there.
Is there a substring that we can get?
Substring,
Or
okay.
any other? No, we don't have.
You don't have substring. Okay. Anything else that you would like to check before brainstorming on how to mimic the same logic here?
Can you expand the text functions?
Text
Maybe we can
functions.
find. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it the part of DAX only, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe trim.
Trim. Very good. So trim what it will do.
Left
Just check.
side.
Just read this line.
So what does search do?
Or
It looks for
in string first,
Sorry.
in string and substring of it will it.
Left
there's
function. Left.
no
All those
substring
functions are
actually.
not available here. So
Left,
substring
Yeah.
is
right,
find.
left.
Find or search, yeah.
Okay. So we will try to write our functions with the help of these things. So now we will be writing it and you will feel it is little complex because like you are able to do everything with the UI, right? So first of all, how you will implement this? You have to get the value of this thing, the starting index, right? So how you will get that? I will implement it in very, I would say, smaller chunks. So first of all, I will create new column. I will say RAM. I can't write RAM size because RAM size already exists. I will try to write find. Now it will say find text. What you want to find? What I want to find, my dear friends?
Hyphen.
Delimiter, right? So it will be like this. Hyphen, space, open braces. Right? Isn't it? Then it will ask you within text. So what is within text? Product name, right? The column. Guys, please acknowledge with me if you are getting it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
It's product.
Then start position will be 0. That means we want to start from there, from the beginning. So if does not found, then I will try to write 99999. Argument of find has wrong data type or has an invalid value. Okay. My bad. What is the issue? Let me change it to text. Just a sec. Let me see. The text in which you want to for or column containing text. That is also fine. Okay. It should be one. I got confused with the array. It is a string. That's fine. Cool. Look, what you're getting. You're getting 59, 48, 45, all these things, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what is 45? So it is the value of this thing. It starts 1R, 2E, 3A, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. And 48 is the starting index. Getting it? Guys, yes,
Yes,
no.
yes,
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 we got
yes,
it.
yes.
Yeah, basically the position of it is.
Position of it. Anyone having any doubt in this?
So that 48 refers to the hyphen or the number of 8?
It refers to the starting of this character.
It's hyphen.
Hyphen
Okay,
only.
let me show you what it exactly refers. So guys, you have left and right function to read the data after and before the index. So let me try to write left, and I want 3 characters after here. Let us see what you're getting. Still I'm getting the same thing. Left is not triggered, or how it is. Come on, Control Z. Let me try to write. Okay, I have to write the product name also. Then it will go ahead and look. You're getting till where? Hyphen.
Hmm.
So that means your starting index is the starting of your
Hyphen.
pattern,
Hyphen.
right? So
Yes.
hyphen space opening brace is nothing but the pattern that you are searching for, isn't it?
Hmm. Correct.
Mhm.
Right? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
now,
Indra.
guys, you have already searched about like where it starts. Now somehow you have to get the values, 3 more values after this, right?
Four
Correct.
four characters, right? Four characters
Four
we need
more
to get.
characters, right? So
Yes.
how you can get that? What if
Yes.
you go ahead and plus
Add
4 here? Actually, 4 characters, but what you're getting in the starting, you will be getting this index, right? So you have to get 7 more or 6 more. Let us see. Is it fine now?
Yes. But we don't need all of the, like, we need, can, if we use right, what do we get? We getting right side of after this, after the delimiter?
Yes.
Then we can go with that one, right? And filter only the, take only the 4 characters. I'm just thinking. I don't know if it works or not.
We can
You
just
will go,
left in
yeah,
product.
go ahead. Tell me, please.
If I use right and take the next 3 characters, oh, we cannot subtract that, right? We cannot use plus.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
makes
basically,
sense. Okay.
how it works? Find will give you the index. If you will say right text name, comma find, it will give you suppose 50. So then it will give you 50 characters, right?
Yes. Yes, we will get more characters.
Isn't
And
it?
also we don't have substring, so we cannot get
This
that.
is this is exactly what you're implementing. This is substring only, right? Substring, what it will does. Substring is like to get the strings from one index to another. So here, what is this? This is the index, right?
Hmm.
No, what I mean is substring, then starting can, we can use that find whatever the value,
Yeah, yeah. Directly
the
substring is
index
not there,
number,
but
that
you are
we can
trying to
use.
implement the functionality of substring by using DAX.
Yes. Okay, understood. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. So now you have this thing, right? So let us try to write one more right here. This is my text and I want suppose 3 characters. Let us see what we are getting. Or let me write again 7. Again,
Maybe
you have
6.
to do lot of things here. 6 characters. So now you're getting first of all, first thing, this braces everywhere, right? So you have to get rid of this thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me change it to 5 and let us see what we are getting. Yeah, it's gone.
We're getting
Yes.
slash also.
You're getting slash also, right? So now you can go ahead and replace slash with what?
Nothing.
Blank.
Yeah.
Space. Yeah.
So how to do that?
Replace.
Replace old text, start position 1, number of characters 1, and
I did not understand. Can we see the sample for replace?
sorry,
Yeah,
come
I
again.
think we should. What I'm thinking was we have to give that character, right? Slash we need to give in single quotes, double quotes.
Yeah, that's what, like, let me go ahead and replace or substitute will be the first thing. Let us see,
Yes.
first of all.
Replace or substitute. Yes.
The
Oh, we
following
have to
formula
give one
creates a new
comma two.
calculator table, not this thing. I think substitute will be the good thing for us. Text, old text, new text, and new substance. So
Yeah, old
substitute
text.
will be
Yes,
the
this
one.
is what.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can go here, replace this with substitute. This is my
Substitute.
text. Old text will be this thing.
Single
And I
quote
want to
slash.
replace it with space. Okay.
Yes,
Instance
space.
number, you
Enclose
don't no
parenthesis.
need to mention because only one thing is there and it's gone. So now you will say,
Yes.
sir, you have added a space that might cause issues. So to get rid of spaces from the starting and beginning, what is the function that you will use?
Trim.
You
Trim.
just see it now, right?
Mm.
It's a trim.
It's a
So
trim
now you
function.
have to do this much tam jam to get this thing done in DAX. So it is not always like something is, if something is customizable, it is good. So you can achieve, why I wanted to show you this thing. Because like first of all, you learned about so many functions here. If you observe, you
Yes.
learned about find, left, right, substitute, trim, right? And second thing is I wanted to show you like how it can be done and how drastically it will reduce your effort if you will go ahead and do it with the help of Power Query Editor, isn't it? Clear,
Yes.
guys?
Yes. Nanda. Yes, it's clear.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So
yes,
I have
clear.
given
Yeah.
you both the tools in your pocket. When you get this kind of requirement, what you feel is correct, you can go ahead and implement that. Okay? Any doubts here?
No.
I have one question in the. Suppose
Yeah.
let's say Power Query yesterday I did not attend that class.
Okay.
So my question was, suppose let's say the report or this data is already present. So I can go back and use a Power Query and add that logic. That will be quicker, or will it be any issues with implementing this,
Which
changing
data
the
you are
Power
saying
Query?
first of all? Product name?
I mean, let's say the same functionality.
Mm-hmm.
If reports everything is already there, so if I change using the Power Query, add an extra column and
Column and
all,
all.
so
Mm-hmm.
what would be the effort? How much extra effort we need to put, like using the Power Query and DAX? DAX, I understand this logic. We need to here also we're adding the new column.
Yeah, in Power Query
But
Editor, what you will be doing, it will be UI based, whatever you will be doing. If you joined late also today, by any chance?
no, I joined early only today. Yesterday
Yeah.
only
So here
I
you can
missed.
see we have created this column with the help of this thing, right? And
Yes,
similarly,
correct,
like if you go through the recording, we have created this column. This is nothing but a conditional column. We have written the logic here.
correct.
Yeah, I would request you to go through the previous class, then you will get to know the exact difference, like how it works.
Okay, Indra.
Okay. If you still have
I'll do
some
this after
doubts
the
like
class.
this, comparison wise, again, we will be meeting tomorrow also, right? Tomorrow is also free class. So
Okay.
we can go ahead and discuss on that. So again,
Okay.
guys, I don't want to overload you guys. As per me, like if you are a very beginner in Power BI, we have learned a lot today. We have learned about DAX, what is DAX. We learned about few if statements, then multiple conditions there. Then we learned about so many, I would say, functions. So I want you to go ahead first of all and try to digest it, and then we will get started tomorrow from here. Okay. So I'll end it here. My content section is end. So now we are into doubt session. You can go ahead and ask me your doubts, whatever you have.
Yeah, Indra, I have a doubt. That is, I mean, if the description is not will be this like the same format, like hyphen, space, and parentheses. I mean, maybe it can happen that with the description, the space is not there in between the bracket and the hyphen. So in that kind of cases, how we can get rid of this kind of issues?
Yeah. So Indrajit, like the main chunk of it was not implementing the stuff. The main thing was to understand and get that pattern that you got in, I guess, in 2 minutes. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to identify the pattern. If pattern itself is not there, you can't do it either by Power Query Editor or nor by DAX. So you have to understand the pattern first. You have to identify the pattern.
Okay, so if some I mean for some data the pattern is missing, so we have to rectify that before doing this, right?
Yeah. So again, like it should not be missing. So here, like how you would have implemented this. So first of all, you will say, okay, sir, what we will do, we will go ahead and split it on the basis of hyphen. So then hyphen is available here also, right?
Yeah.
So then
Yes.
this breaks our pattern, isn't it? So then you will say, sir, okay, what we will do, we will implement on the basis of space. But space is available here also.
Yeah.
Space is available here also, isn't it?
Yeah.
It again breaks, right? So now you will say, okay, sir, we will go ahead and implement with hyphen and space. Hyphen and space is available here also, right? Now you
Yeah.
will say, okay, sir, we will go ahead, we will implement with space, hyphen space. Again, it breaks. It is available here also. Here also, right? In the similar string, multiple spaces are there. Multiple kind of pattern is available. So you have to identify a unique pattern which is available only once in the string. Only then you will be able to split, right? Isn't it? So then we will try to create now four characters pattern. So now what will be the four characters patterns? Space, hyphen, and opening braces. So this is not available anywhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is how you have to build your thought process.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. So I mean, for sometimes we may need to like change the data also, like raw data also, right?
Yeah. In transformation, what we are doing, we are tweaking the data as per our needs, right?
Yes.
As a client, you don't want to understand why we go ahead and converted that to whole number or decimal number, why we replaced with null values, right? So Indrajit, like this is first class for you, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think you have to go through the previous three recordings also. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Yes. Cool. Anyone else? Anything?
So this is just first, whenever we get a requirement, first we need to cleanse the data, then this transformation, then load into Power BI. Is that how it will happen?
Yeah, this is how the typical process will happen.
Okay.
Okay. Again, tomorrow we'll again have a session on DAX where we will go ahead and implement few more functions. And then we will try to split a table and then I will tell you how to do the communication across tables. Okay.
I have
And
one
from where
question.
we will
Now
get that
One
file?
by one, one by one, one by one, guys. Please ask one by one. Otherwise, I will not understand what you will be asking. Yeah, Naveen, go ahead. What was your question, first of all?
okay. Yeah, earlier we are using Excel document as a source, right? So
Mm-hmm.
can we use PDF document also? Uh, like, can we
PDF
use
document.
PDF? Yeah, read the PDF document and process using Power BI.
Directly, I doubt.
Extract the data.
Directly, PDF reader will not be there. You have to go ahead and read the PDF using Power Automate or something, and then put it in your data set, and then you can use it. Directly, PDF. Yeah, it is there. Import a PDF
Is it?
document.
Okay.
It is there.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
So, Indrajit, so when it comes to Power Apps, I mean, so you'll cover governance and security, that topics also,
Yeah,
right?
I will be covering row level security and all.
Okay.
Governance is one thing like that depends from your organization to organization, but security is standard. So security I will be covering.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So you mean DLP policy or all the things will be covered?
Those are DLP policies, right? Data loss prevention policies. That's what you're talking about,
Yes, yes,
Indrajit?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, that will be covered in admin center.
And also, from where we will get that Excel file?
Excel file is available in your free WhatsApp group itself. So are you available in WhatsApp group all?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, if it is not there, I'll put it in the portal. I suppose it should be available there in the portal. If it is not there, I'll take the help from team and get it uploaded there.
And also, Jit, I have some more doubts. I mean, when we will talk, I mean, we will discuss for the Power Automate session or app sessions. So generally, for the business purpose, we use some connectors like the service now and all. So in that kind of cases, how we will go through this? I mean, for the practice session. I mean,
Did not got your question, Indrajit. First of all, what you are trying to ask?
yeah, so I'm trying to ask when, I mean, for the business scenario, I saw that many of the clients are using a lot of connectors like the ServiceNow and the SAP and other connectors.
Okay.
So yeah, so do we go through that kind of scenarios over the sessions in coming sessions, or I mean some.
Yeah, it will be scenario based. But at the same time, I will not ask you to go ahead and cram every connector.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, anyone else? Anything, guys?
Even Dataverse can be used as a data source. I see the Dataverse here
Yeah, it will
to
be. It can
generate
be.
the.
It can be. Like in first session, I told shown you this thing, right? Like these are
Yes.
all the data sources which is available. So whatever is available here, that can be used. Anyone else? Any doubts? Yeah, Shri?
I'm good. I'm okay.
Good? Yeah,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that case, we can. Yeah, Vijay, you're
Uh,
also good?
no, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So, in that case, guys, we can end the class here. Let's meet again tomorrow for like last free preview class. And then we can discuss like again few more DAX expressions. And then, yeah, then we will take it forward from there.
Yeah, that data set, can you just upload in that portal or something? Because I'm not in the WhatsApp group, so.
Yeah, I'll send it in the group and I'll ask team to upload. So, anyone from KSR available here? Suchirta or guys, anyone from KSR support team? So I will drop it in the group and I'll ask the people to update. First of all, I'll drop it in the free group, which is there. So let me go ahead. You can be on the call. Just a sec. Guys, I have shared in the group once again. It is getting uploaded. Just give me 1 minute. Send again. It is
Yeah,
sent.
Yeah, received.
Received, right? So you can take care of this thing from here, and then at the same time, I'll tag the team to upload it.
Indrajit, like, is it also possible to connect with you or other mentor for just 5 minutes to discuss?
Yeah, we have a dedicated support team in Rajit. You can go ahead and get in touch with them. They will guide you.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Aligned, everyone? And like I wanted to just show you one more thing. I just recall that. Let me open my WhatsApp and show it to you. Don't drop because I
In which
want to
group you
show you one
upload?
thing.
Is there a separate group for this course?
Yeah, yeah. I'm about to show you that thing only. Just give me a sec.
I did not get the data sets.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, Indra.
Yes, Indra.
So when you will enroll, guys, you will for you there will be a separate work WhatsApp group that will be created. So it will look like this thing, KSR PPD May. So for you it will be August because you are August batch student, and that you can use to interact with all of you. Like if you are facing some issues, like when implementing the project or something, you can go ahead put your snapshot here. So then you will get help from your peers itself. So why I want to tell you this thing, because like this is the community which is available and you can get use of this thing. And guys, if you see recently a guy got placement, I think yesterday itself he came to us and told us. So he was having some experience and then he claimed some experience in Power Automate, sorry, Power Platform. So it is still syncing my older text, and this guy got placed. And this is how people are putting in the groups. Then we are asking them to do that. He's expecting one more offer. So previously he was a student in Power BI. He got job in Power BI. Now he rejoined again for being a Power Platform developer. And this time also he got a good job. So similarly, like these are few batches that we have completed, and here also that guy pinged, and we are getting all the placements related thing here. And mostly like this is very important thing, because here you can go ahead, discuss your doubts, and get your resolved in no time, I would say. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Where you uploaded that data sets? Is it in this group or separate
It
group?
is in this free group, KSR PPD session updates.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me ask team. Team. Not Santosh. Okay, developing.
Yesterday I posted some question in the group related to Power BI licensing.
In which group? In KSR PPT groups?
Yeah, PPT groups, yes.
So licensing part you don't have to worry about. I will cover that.
So I just have a small doubt which would help in my work. So is it
Yeah.
okay to ask such questions in the group?
Yeah, in the group, or what you can do, you can go ahead and ask it in the class also, in the doubt session. But in the
Okay.
doubt session. Disclaimer is in the doubt session.
Then I missed it for today.
Yeah, you can ask me now. That is fine.
Yeah. Actually,
Then
we are a pretty much small organization with just 50 members, and we have a dashboard created in Power BI, and the
uh-huh.
dashboard will be is prepared based on client's requirement.
Mm-hmm.
So to share with him, we are thinking of which license is better because, to be honest, it is very costlier to us to buy enterprise level license where we can share the dashboard with anyone, with any external user. If there
So
are
you can
only
go
10
ahead.
users,
Minimum license which is required to view the dashboard is pro license.
okay,
Yeah, that will cost you around $14 per month.
okay. If it's a pro license and uh, will we be able to share it with external
Yeah,
users?
yeah. You can share it with them, and even they can create reports also if they want.
Okay. No, they won't be creating any report.
Yeah,
It
that
is
I got you.
for view
I got
purpose,
you.
view purpose to them. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So even for view purpose, you need to have the minimum pro license.
Okay. Mm, and they also should be possessing pro license, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. I'll try with this.
Yes.
Okay. Or is there any other way which would falls cheaper? Like if I have 20 clients and maybe 250 members.
Minimum is the pro license, Prasad.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
even if like they are activating the trial or something, that will be only for 60 days. So after
Yeah.
that, you
Yeah.
have to anyway buy a pro license.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Now my query is solved. Yeah.
Yes. Not an issue. Because
How can I get added to that KSR PPD group?
Shri Harsha, you can get in touch with the team and you
Oh.
can get added. But to be honest, like if you are enrolling, if you are considering enrolling, you don't need to be there. So once you enroll, there will be separate group which will be created and you will be added there.
Okay, because the
In
data
the
set will then.
dataset, I have asked team to put it in the portal. They will put it there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Indra, will you provide us some PDF file related to Power Apps formulas and DAX formulas?
Yeah, Devesh, like this is the PDF file. If you want to download PDF, you can download and use it.
Like important for DAX which we need to remember, and in the same way important formulas which we need
Again, Devesh, like then if I am asking you to go ahead and remember the important formula and all, so then I don't feel like there is a point of me being teaching you or training you. Okay. So whatever we are covering in the class, those are the important things. You don't have to go anything out of that. So all the 80 classes are important. Okay. So again, like what I will do, like once everything is covered, we will have dedicated 4 to 5 sessions. So then I will ask you, basically that will be open room interview. I will be asking you important questions. So then you have to give me the answers. Then I will be going ahead. I will be rectifying your answers. I will be optimizing your answers. So that will happen at the after all the modules are completed. That activity will happen for 4 to 5 lectures. Okay.
okay.
And while we are covering the topics, then and there itself, I will be telling you, okay, guys, please make a note of it. It is very important for interviews or something. Okay. Clear.
Yes.
And regarding interview questions, PDF and all, team is already working on it. We are getting in touch with people and asking them what are the questions that are asked. So we are creating some PDFs and that we will share with you.
One last thing from
Yeah.
my side. Even though the dashboard is placed in a premium workspace, would pro license be sufficient?
Yeah,
I
it
don't
will
think.
be sufficient. Pro
Okay.
license will be sufficient.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Indrajit, from where we will get the previous recordings?
From where you will?
Get the previous class recordings.
It will be available in class record section.
I mean,
Like,
I don't know about the portal actually.
yeah. Basically, what if you will go through the first or second recording, we have explained it there, like how to get the class records. So you don't have to go ahead and log in to the portal only to see the thing. It is available on our YouTube channel also. So from the YouTube, you can watch first few classes, and then from there itself, you will be getting to know how to get the class records. Okay. Cool. Anyone else? Anything? All good? Cool, guys. So in that case, we will end the class here. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day ahead. Take care.
Thank you, Indra. Bye bye.